Unsecured credit card secrets. Finding your way to financial freedom. Unlocking second chance credit cards. Finding an unsecured credit card can feel impossible, especially with less than perfect credit. Many people think they will be denied, but there are banks ready to help. Discovering how to overcome these barriers can lead to valuable credit opportunities. The importance of building credit. Building credit is necessary for financial stability. If you do not have a high credit score, there are steps you can take to improve it. Reducing debt, disputing inaccuracies on your credit report, and even applying for second chance credit cards can help you succeed. Navigating credit challenges. Understanding credit challenges is important. Many find themselves stressed about debt and fear of collection agencies. Recognizing this struggle can help you find the motivation to take control and improve your situation, standing strong against financial pressures. Choosing the right credit card. When seeking a second chance credit card, you need to choose wisely. There are reputable companies willing to work with you. Picking one that has a solid reputation can help you rebuild your credit while avoiding scams that could hurt you further. Key steps to rebuilding your credit. Rebuilding your credit takes time and persistence. It is important to both address negative items on your report and obtain new credit. Secured credit cards or responsible loans can significantly boost your credit score, making these choices essential for your financial health.